How to fix create another profile not showing in Facebook. If you've been trying to create another profile on Facebook but it's not showing up, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix this issue with a simple working solution. So let's get started. So if you're encountering this issue, let's find where you can simply find the create new profile option. Simply open your profile, tap on three dots. Here you can simply find create another profile at on the turn on professional mode. Now if you cannot find it over there, what you can do is simply go back again. Here you can simply find a drop down menu. Simply tap on it here. You can find also create new profile option. Simply search for these two options or two places where you can find create new profile option. Now if you cannot find it, what you need to do is simply make sure your Facebook account or Facebook application is up to date to the latest version, and also make sure if none of the above steps work, you need to ask for contact Facebook support for assistance, and that's it. That's how you can simply find create another profile on Facebook and solve it.